Hey guys, this is Cree, and today I wanted to share with you this automation that I built. I'm going through a short sale class in our real estate investor university, and this this tool that I'm building right now is to help me with tracking these short sales as they come up. Because I had someone to come to me, an individual was referred to me by a friend, and they needed help with navigating this process. So what I decided to do was, as I'm going through this class, it's in our investor education system. The I wanted to document the process so that as these come up, it's a very clear, simple system of being able to maintain and track them. And the thing I like about Trello is that it's a free tool, so you can actually use up to like I think 10 boards, and you can have unlimited cards on those boards. And so what I did was I just took all the stages of the short sale as taught by our instructor, and went in here and created a Kanban, which is just a left to right tracking system, project management board, really, is what it is. And I'm starting to build out these automations. So, for example, when I go in here and I add a new car, let's say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Main Street, right? Is has come up on our radar as a potential short sale opportunity. So Main Street is, Luann's, yeah, Luann's. I don't know if that's how you spell Luann, but it's Luann's house, right? And her foreclosure date is three. Call it 591. And we need to get in contact with her, right? Get in contact. Well, when I add this card, what happens is the automation automatically adds me to the card. It sends me an email and it bumps it to the top of the list so that I have attention. So it's a really simple automation. Let's see, and you can see these short sales have been created. So what I can do is I can tie this in to a form on the website, to a MailChimp automation, to a mini chat sequence. If someone goes onto my Facebook page and says, hey, um, I need help, I'm going into foreclosure, or I got a notice of default, then I can add them immediately to this project board, and I can actually tag them in the MailChimp sequence or in MiniChat or whatever. And then if they are indicated to be a short sale opportunity, which is, if you don't know what a short sale is, it's when a lender agrees to take less than is owed because either the person that the lendee, or the person that is being lended the money to, or the person that's on title, when they are no longer able to make payments, whether it's due to losing their job, or the property is, it's upside down $50,000 and they don't have the funds to be able to take care of the payment. Whatever the reason is, if a bank agrees to take less than is owed, then that's what we consider a short sale. So there's a lot of different reasons why a bank would take less than is owed. But basically, lenders are not in the business of owning real estate. Lenders are in the business of owning notes. And a note is a document or piece of paper that says the terms of what you're agreeing to pay back. So lenders are in the game of interest, right? And so a bank doesn't want to own a lot of real estate for several different reasons. One could be that, it can get vandalized and broken into whenever it's not inhabited. So there are motivations for the bank to get it off their books if it's not producing that interest. What we look at as investors is, how can we help the bank? How can we help the individual that's being foreclosed on? And how can we help ourselves? So short sales is a process of being able to identify properties that are costing both the owner and the lender money, time, and energy. And we can come in and create a solution that helps everybody. So I created this board because I wanted to really put pen to paper and take action on being able to track these things as they come up. And so what happens is, I'll add them to this next stage of the deal. And you can see there's all these different stages of buying the property and then selling the property. So I wanted to make it very easy to follow along and make it so that I could follow my own my own process, right? So I'll be getting emails and notifications as these boards get added. I can delegate them to team members. I can also have team members cold call and prospect, and then whenever an opportunity comes up, when they're qualifying the lead, then I can tie in a Google form, which is internal, and have it drop it into this sequence, and then I can get the contact information and contact the seller, and then begin the process of negotiations. So this is my effort of documenting the process so that I can repeat and scale. This is kind of my forte is systems and critical thinking. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy building automations. I enjoy building, customer journeys in Mailchimp and in Keep, Infusionsoft, HubSpot, you name it. That's kind of what I like to do. I like engineering things the one time so that the system continues to work in the background. And if you guys have any questions about this, if you want to get access to this board, I'd be more than happy to share it with you. Just shoot me an email to millennialreigroup@gmail.com. Let me know what you're interested in. If you want to learn about short sales, if you're also interested in learning all aspects of real estate investing, which includes, short sales, foreclosures, wholesale, how to do notes, tax liens, and deeds, how to go about acquiring multifamily properties, fix and flip on multifamily properties, commercial properties, lending, how to do notes on that. If you want to learn about land development, basically, if there's a strategy in real estate and you want to learn it, we actually have pretty much a course on every single one of those things with our Investor University. So if you want to learn more about that, shoot me an email. We'll hop on a quick phone call. I'll see if you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. And if so, then I'll get you some more information and you can make a decision. But ultimately, we're in the business of educating people, not in trying to, force anything on anybody. So, again, if that's something that's interesting to you, send me your name, phone number, and best time to call you to millennialreigroup@gmail.com. And I hope you guys have a great day.